the Deegan show is going international. That is coming from today, or at least as today as I'm recording this, September 26th. It's been announced that Haiden Deegan will be racing the Buenos Aires City GP the 8th of November as a SX2 wildcard entry in World Supercross. Now, obviously, this is a one-off, or at least what it sounds like. It's a wildcard entry for one race. It's a PR move for him, probably a pretty good paycheck, kind of like what Tomac did a few years ago, doing was it the British round? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think that's what it was. And for him, this is probably nothing. I mean, it's a paycheck. It's a way to go abroad, maybe garner some more fans. At this point, he's already a known quantity, has a massive following. It's not going to be, no one knows who he is going down there. We do have a quote from him saying also, "I'm pumped to be heading overseas for the first time with World Supercross. I can't wait to meet new fans and grow our fan base internationally. I'm looking forward to have some great racing and good battles. Argentina, get ready. It's going to be a good one." Now, when he says grow our fan base, does he mean, Supercross as a whole or his own fan base? Doesn't really matter. I mean, him going there, it's going to sell tickets. It's going to bring people in, casual fans, people who are semi-interested. You now have another reason to go because there's another big name. Obviously not racing in the 450 side of things, but, that's the future, I guess, to come, depending on how many off-season races these guys want to do. I mean, they already complain about how many Supercross and Motocross and then the SMX playoffs, and then they go and sign up for OzX and ParisX and all these other side things. But I mean, this is exciting. If you're down there, if you're in Buenos Aires, you get to see a big name come down for a one-off race. Go out and see where he falls. I mean, World Supercross probably should be a win. Let's be honest here. You look at what Dean Wilson has done, moving over to the arena cross thing and just winning. Somebody of Haiden Deegan's talent and speed should go to a series like this and dominate. I'm assuming that's the goal. His father, Brian, has a quote saying, "We're really looking forward to attending World Supercross for the first time and meeting our international fans. We'll be doing a Deegan VIP experience for those who want to hang out, and we can't wait to make the trip. We'll be filming everything to share the experience with all our fans. See you soon." Obviously, big PR for them, going somewhere else. It's going to be, I'm assuming, probably pretty big money for the Deegan VIP experience. Whatever Argentina uses for currency, I don't know. Never really looked into it. But, I mean, for World Supercross, huge PR thing. For the Deegans, again, PR video could be cool, and we'll see where it falls. I mean, obviously, World Supercross is hit or miss. I guess it kind of seems where it goes, but I think they've got the Malaysian, Buenos Aires, Canadian, Australian, and South African GP this year, so only 5. I mean, less than they had slated for last year with 8. We'll see where it goes. But just want to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Excited about this, don't care about this, hate Deegan, love Deegan, whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.